So by writing a report, right? Okay, draft reports, right? We already know that this is an external report, right? So we say to the board of directors of Spicy Confectionaries Limited, right? Spicy Confectionaries what? Spicy Confectionaries Limited, right? Now, what next? What did you want to do, class? There are two requirements here. The financial analysis, which is the financial performance, as well as what? The business proposal. Business what? Proposal. Class, are we still together, please? Are we still together?
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So there are two requirements there. So you cannot merge it together and say, oh, financial performance. You can say financial performance. You can use financial performance, or you say evaluation of performance evaluation, anyone. And business, business, business. Is this business correct? Okay, wait, business proposal and business proposal. You are using, you just, okay, you just have something like this. You can see, you combine the two requirements together, right? Right? The financial performance, you're doing a financial performance and business proposal. Class, are we still together? So therefore, the next thing is prepared by, prepared by, now, prepared by who? Share, I will say prepared by John Adeshola, right? Since it's John Adeshola, is that not so?
No, no.
Prepared by who? Prepared by who?
The name of the audit firm.
Okay. Who is that? Prepared, who is that person? Prepared by who? Is it Favor?
Spice.
Okay. So you say prepared by, please don't include, don't put your name, because, excuse me, last diet, I saw a lot of students writing there and they say, no, prepared by your name. Your own, no, is the name of the company, right? Because that client did not even know you at all. So there's no point, right? So we just copy the full name of the audit firm, right? You can just we can copy all this, and chartered accountants, right? So please always include the chartered accountant, right? So we can have something like this. So since we are using capital letter, we can make it capital letter, right? Okay. So if this is prepared by this, now the next is the date. The date of the what? The exam date, right? Excuse me. So what is the exam date for this May diet? Maybe May for case study.
22nd.
22nd. 22nd. Right. 22nd. 2025. Right? Your exam date, right? Now, after that, excuse me, is to add your disclaimer. Don't forget that you can leave, let's say, you can leave one line after this. You can just leave one line after this, right? So that your work will look neat, right? So after that, one line like this or two lines, just your disclaimer, because it is an external report, right? You need to add the what? Disclaimer. Class, you need to do what? You can use any disclaimer, right? So let me just use this. Who can give us disclaimer? Can someone give us one disclaimer that we use? Okay, let me just give you hints. This report has been prepared for the board of directors of Spicy Confectionery. Confectionaries. Okay, Spicy Confectionaries, and it is.
Sorry, the prepared by, is it the is it in the question?
Okay.
The
Yes, that is the name of the audit firm.
Okay.
Please, next time you should have wait. Please, you should have wait so that we can look at it together. Okay. I forgot what I want to write.
Okay, no problem. Sorry, please.
It's fine. It's fine. So, and it's intended for their use you will not accept liabilities from the third party who may rely on the financials or on the contents. Let's say contents. You can use financials actually. The contents of these reports without due authorization. Let's see, authorization. Okay, class. Excuse me. Are we still together? Who is against us here? Are we good? So this disclaimer is to just exonerate the auditor, right, from the third party, because the third party, the auditor is not answerable to the third party, right? Just to the what? To the company. Is that not so? And the auditor is not saying that anyone who actually make use of these financials without due authorization from the Spicy Confectionaries, that they will not accept what? Liabilities. And that is what it means. It means that Como, you cannot just pick up this without the authorization of the owner. So if the owner actually authorize you, so a limited liability company that you see, they will publish their annual financials in the Nigerian Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange, is because they are listed, and since you are giving it to the general, so it has already been authorized for them to put it in the public. It has already been what? Been authorized. Is that not so? It has already been what? Authorized. Class, you can come up with disclaimer, right? You can come up with disclaimer, and you move on. Class, this is cover page for external reports. So you can unmute your mic, right? You can unmute your mic and ask your question quickly.
Hello, sir.
I'm with you. Please.
Yes, sir. My question is from the cover page. can we also do it in this way where we have to, from, then subject, something like that, instead of
Ah,
just writing it straight like this?
ah, ah. Opeyemi. If you want to use that tool from that shows that you are writing a cover page for internal reports. It is for internal, you will see to from subject and dates. Opeyemi. This is an external report. You are writing it outside, right? So you don't need to from address it directly to the board. Then since it is a draft report, you give your boss for review. So final copy will not have draft report. Last diet I saw sorry, a lot of reports. Cover page like this we have letterhead. I beg. You want to write 4 hours? My phone. Sorry. A minute, please. Yes, sorry, I'm back. It's back. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. My sincere
Hello,
apologies for
sir.
that. Okay. Thank you. My sincere apologies for that, please. I'm sorry. Okay, where did we stop? Okay, we're talking about excuse me, Okoyemi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because if you want to use that format, that means that it is an internal report. But this particular unseen present shows like it shows it indicates 90% that this is an external report, right? Because you work in an audit as an audit trainee, right? It is ANCO, right? And you are reporting to Julius. So with that, it is an external report. Why? Because you are writing it to your client, but your boss will just review it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Please, I have another question, sir.
Please go ahead. In
Is
fact,
it
hello,
compulsory?
wait,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
coming. In fact, I have more than one question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, sir, is it compulsory that our cover page must be in capital letter or form?
No, anyhow, there's no law. You can decide to make it an initial cap block, right? So you can just design it the way the capital, the character, the way you feel like, oh, you can use capital letter. Do you understand?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So are we good now? Question.
Sorry. If I may ask, is there a particular format for this presentation? Sorry, it's just my first time for attending this class. So is there a particular format in approaching this cover page? Because I'm analyzing it from your draft report. The first line shows is two, the directors of the said company. Then the other comes subjects.
Yes. But you don't need to write all those things. You don't need to
No,
write
I know
the
you don't need to write it. I just want to have that template in my head or something.
Okay. This is just the template,
Okay.
right? When it is an external report, and this is how you need to present it, right? Do you understand? Do you understand? Charity.
I do. It's noisy from my background, so I'm switching off.
Okay.
Mm.
So
Hello, sir.
this is template. This is the template. This is the template. I'm with you. Go ahead.
Yes, I wanted to tell you to please show up a little bit, but you've done that.
Okay. Class, are we good?
Hello, sir. Sir, please, the disclaimer. Is there a disclaimer for internal reports too?
Ah, my guy. Interesting. No. Do you get it? No disclaimer, no disclaimer, no disclaimer. It is an internal report. It is a memo. We'll get there. So we'll do that now, right? We'll do a cover page. We'll draft a cover page for an internal report. Now, we'll do it now, right? We'll do it now so that you will see the difference between the two. Yaona, are you still with us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just wanted to confirm whether
No, no, no,
there's a
no disclaimer. It is no disclaimer. No disclaimer. So, who do you want to write disclaimer for? Dayo. No, there's no disclaimer.
yes, sir, exactly.
That's fine. That's fine. Please ask question. There's no stupid question, please. Right? There's no, and you can use this format anywhere. Like I can say that you can use it in your anywhere you can use it. The format I'm using to analyze stocks today, if you say, oh, I do the portfolio analysis or tax matters now, it's still the same format. I already have my plans. Oh, this is what I need to do. I will write a report. I will do conclusion and recommendations. I move on. Right? So please. Do you have any other question? Can we move on? Please, question, please. Do you have question? Can we move on?
Yes, let's move on, sir.
Oh, my phone. Hello. Oh, I'm back. Hmm. Thank you. Thank you. My sincere apologies for that, please. Okay, let me quickly share my screen so that we can continue. Okay. Excuse me. So let's quickly look at this part here. This question is okay, November 2023. Now, this is now let's check if this is an internal report or external report. Class, please confirm if you can see my screen. Hello? Okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, this is November 2023 case study. Adalat Products Nigeria Limited, list of exhibits. Excuse me. About you, John Ogbaide, and your employer, Adalat Products Nigeria Limited. Right? Even without reading anything, I already know that, oh, this should be either internal or external from these parts. Right? Now, Nigeria economy and business environment, Adalat Products Nigeria Limited, Adalat Products Nigeria Limited strategy and sustainability, Adalat Products, excuse me, Adalat Products Nigeria Limited summarize consolidated financial statement. Class, your assignment is that you draft an answer plan for this particular question, right? For this particular precinct, based on the responsibility. Class, your assignment will be based on this, right? Based on this responsibility, you are required to draft an answer plan, right? That you will use to do your financial analysis, if there is business proposal and all that. Please submit it on or before the next class. Now, about you, John Ogbede, and your employer, Adalat Product Nigeria Limited, you are John Ogbede, writing the professional level of ICANN examination. You are employed as a system and control accountant at the group head office of Adalat Product Nigeria Limited, which has 3 strategic business units. Class, you are John O. You are writing professional exam. You are employed as a system and control accountant. As a what? As a system control what? As a system control accountant, right? So this to tell you that this is an internal report because you are employed by another firm, not by an audit firm, not as an audit trainee. Class, you are employed by another firm, another company, not that you are being employed as a trainee. And your role is system and control accountability at the group head office. You are reporting to James Olaiton, Group Finance Director. Your responsibility include, this is like 90% internal reports. Now, let's buttress it with these responsibilities. Preparing detailed financial analysis and reports on the performance of the strategic business unit. And don't forget that they say they have 3 strategic business units. They are still within the group, right? Within the company, right? Now, the next thing is financial analysis, right? Analyzing the SBU financial statement to identify areas of weakness and providing likely solution to correct what anomalies. Probably you observe that the profitability index or profitability ratio decreases over the years. That is the weakness. Then you will now provide solution to it. Class, how we will get to analysis. You will love it because it is you just have to think outside the box, right? Now, you see profitability increases or decreases over the, what could have been the reason? Oh, it could be as a result of, increase in this, decrease in the sales, increase in the cost of sales, increase in one of the administrative expenses and all that, right? So I'm just assuming that, right? Now, assessing operational and strategic business proposal, right? To see how it align with the group objective and its impact on the business and financial risk. Class, what is the difference between business risk and financial risk? Class, what is the difference between business risk and financial risk? Okay, Isaiah.
All right, let me just give it a try. Business risk is the risk that affects the business generally, while the financial risk is the risk that affects just only the company.
Okay. Just only the company. Yes, now you were in SFM class. Well done. Issue. Well done. Okay, Yawana, don't worry. Let's just move on. Let's just move on. Thank you. So that is that, right? You analyze the business risk from the proposal. You could see that, what will be the what is it called, credit risk or liquidity risk there. That is financial risk. The business risk that affects everybody, the industry, right? Look at what is happening in what in the banking industry, right? The financial in the banking industry, you'll see the CBN recapitalization policy, right? You see, it's affecting the bank, right? Although it is still for their own favor, right? Now, assessing the group financial and business forecast together with the assumption, of course, when you want to do a business proposal, there will be an assumption that you need to take into consideration. What are the assumptions? They may tell you that, you want to do a forecast now. You say, the variable cost will increase by 5%. Just increase it by 5%. It is not necessary you do your forecast or you do your business proposal based on SFM. You want to calculate it. Is that, no, this is how I normally do forecast now. No, see, just increase it. Get your contribution. Get whatever you want to get. I'm not interested in your calculation, right? What is most important is the analysis. I want to see, will you be able to like defend this what is it called, this ratio you calculate, or this analysis? Just do the analysis and your executive summary, right? Now, if that is established, review the SBU sustainability practice and reporting. So this also include sustainability practice, right? Now, drafting a report for the group finance director to be submitted to the board on the results of SBU financial, operation, and strategic business analysis you have carried out, which means that you need to report to your boss, which is James Olaitan, right? Which is the group finance director. Class, your responsibility demand that you keep yourself abreast with the global and national development in the industry which the group operates in order to carry out the above tasks effectively. Distinguished professional colleagues, this is like 90% and internal reports, right? Why? Because you are being employed by Adalat as a what? System control accountants, right? Not like an audit trainee, right? So this is a what? An internal report. Class, are we good? Hello? Unmute your mic, please. I need to confirm that before we move forward.
Yes.
Yes, we are good.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, now, so don't forget, your assignment is to draft the answer plan, right? So don't forget, from the answer plan, we have the cover page, right? Do your cover page first, right? So To who? Class, to who? Who are you reporting to? Hello, who are you reporting to? James.
Lighton, Group
Okay.
Finance Director.
To the group finance director. To the group finance what? Director. Right? Group finance director. So from you, please don't write your name, oh, I beg. Right? Please don't write your name from because you are John. You now write your name. Ah. Please don't write your name, oh. Please write it's coming from the system and control accountant. Right? Just like when you are in organization, you work all of us work, right? When you want to write a memo, you can't say, oh, you put your name. You have to write the name of your department, right? It's coming from that your department, not your name, right? So system what? System and control accountant. System and control accountant. Right? So the next is subject. Subjects. Right? So we can as well pick the two requirements, merge it together. Excuse me. Okay, I'm coming. Favor, please let me finish this. Sorry. So we can since it is financial performance or financial analysis, and they still made mention of what business proposal. Just use that too, and you move on, class. Just use that too, and you move on, right? Financial evaluation of financial performance or financial analysis. Just use financials, right? So let's say we can have performance evaluation. You can use performance evaluation or financial performance. Performance evaluation. And so what did they want to do? You can say, and you can use a strategic business proposal. You can say, oh, proposed. You can use proposed business business proposal. You can say business proposal. Just use something, right? You don't when you want to do your subject, you should not be too lengthy, right? Just write something that someone can quickly pick and move on, right? So business proposal. So when they read the body of the report, they will know that, oh, this is what you use for your performance evaluation or financial performance, then your business proposal. So the next is what? The date of exam, right? So, and May what? 22nd, right? 2025. And this is your cover what? This is your cover page. So you can unmute your mic. You can unmute your mic and ask your question. I think I need to start from Favor, right? You can unmute your mic. This is an internal report. Okay, Okpeyemi.
Yes, sir. So sorry
Go ahead.
for bothering you with our questions. It
See,
must be.
Okpeyemi. Hello. Abeg, see me. I want you to bother me, abeg.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm with you.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, must we always use exam dates as the date of the report?
Interesting. Okay, which date do you want to use? Oh, your wedding date.
No, in illustration. No, I have my reason for asking that question. I have
Okay,
my
right.
reason for asking the question. So, in illustration whereby we were given maybe if it is an external report, say for example, and the we were given a particular date to submit the report. So more, are we still going to use the exam dates?
Yes, I understand. I understand. Okay, okay, okay,
Or
okay.
we're told, let's say
Hello, I'm back.
yes,
Interesting.
sir.
Sorry, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what is happening to your network. It was okay. Excuse me. So, okay,
Yes, sir.
I understand your point. So you use exam dates for this cover page. Oh. So I don't know when you want to do your introduction. You can reference your introduction. We'll get there. Do you get? Do you get?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, okay, okay. Please use exam dates. Okay. Any other question?
Sir, sir,
Yeah. I'm with you. Go ahead.
can you hear me? Okay,
Yes, I
sir,
can hear you clearly.
is there a case that we need to start the subject, or probably maybe we need to say the subject, we need to start it with like a reply to maybe the client is trying to, we the audit firm rather, we are trying to reply our clients due to what they sent to us, or maybe you as the internal, you are as the employee of the organization, you are trying to respond or reply to what they've initially sent to you. Are there cases like that?
Yes. You see, this is ICANN example, right? So you should always do everything possible to maximize your time, right? You don't need that one for now. Don't put it. You don't
Okay,
need it. Do you get? If you like, you can decide to put it, but you
okay,
don't need it.
okay,
Just move on. Do you get? Do you get? So I understand
okay,
what you are trying to explain.
okay. Thank you.
I get. Yeah, you're welcome. Question, no. Please unmute your mic and ask question, please. I think we are done with today's class, right? So we'll be able to identify we'll be able to do a cover page, answer plans that will help you, just like a guide in report writing. After that, we're able to draft a cover page for both internal and external reports. But your assignment is for you to just check the previous years, right? What you need to do the answer plan based on the present, right? Because that is what you will see first. Don't forget, I mentioned something to you that your answer plans will be at the back of your answer booklet, right? It will be back at the back. So when you are done with that, you cross it twice, right? Then don't forget that I said your unseen, the first page of your unseen will be your requirement. Yeah, your requirement, right? Your requirement, the first page, you will see it there, will be your requirement. We will actually get there as well. So, do you have anyone that have question before we go? Question. So